In the world of cruiser motorcycles, few names carry as much influence as the Harley-Davidson Super Glide. This motorcycle is more than just a vehicle, it's an icon that changed the course of Harley-Davidson's design and paved the way for the many custom models we know today. The Super Glide story began in 1971 when Harley-Davidson introduced the FX Super Glide. At the time, the American manufacturer sought to create a motorcycle that combined the best of both worlds. They took the frame and large engine from the Big Twin family and paired them with a lighter, sportier front end from the Sportster series. The result was a motorcycle that stood out from other Harley-Davidsons. The Super Glide's design initially drew mixed reactions. However, over time, the concept proved to be revolutionary. Many enthusiasts viewed the Super Glide as one of the first factory-built motorcycles to deliver a custom feel straight from the showroom. This is what established it as the pioneer of Harley-Davidson's factory custom segment. At the heart of the Super Glide is Harley-Davidson's signature V-twin engine, which produces a thunderous sound and delivers strong torque right from low RPMs. It's not a motorcycle built to chase top speeds, but rather to enjoy long rides with a relaxed and confident style. Every twist of the throttle delivers that distinctive American cruiser feel that's hard to find on other motorcycles. Over the decades, the Super Glide has continued to evolve. Various versions have been released, featuring improvements in performance, comfort, and modern technology. But one thing that has never changed is its identity as a motorcycle that combines the freedom of riding with a strong custom character. One of the reasons the Super Glide is so beloved is its flexibility for customization. Many owners use it as the foundation for building their dream bikes, ranging from classic choppers and bobbers to touring cruisers. It is this versatility that gives the Super Glide a special place in the hearts of Harley-Davidson enthusiasts. To this day, even as many new models emerge, the name Super Glide remains etched in memory as one of the most influential motorcycles in Harley-Davidson history. It's not just a cruiser, but a symbol of freedom, self-expression, and that quintessentially American riding spirit that has inspired generation after generation. For motorcycle enthusiasts, the Harley-Davidson Super Glide is proof that a motorcycle doesn't have to be the fastest to become a legend. Sometimes, its character, history, and spirit are far more valuable than mere performance figures. Thanks for watching.